Hi guys, CAD did a lot this week. We worked on limelights and
We did. Oh, we did. We covered the swerve drives so that, like, the wires are more protected, and we made metal limelight mounts. And Noah did a drawing.
yeah, and you did CNC.
Yeah, and I cammed some pieces so they can be CNC'd.
Okay, so it is Lehigh is in less than a week, and to prepare for that, we are completely rebuilding the bumpers to make sure they don't fall apart again because they fell apart at Warren Hills, and we're also adding steel to them. Which, if you watched last year, you'll know how much fun we had with that. We're adding steel basically so we can weigh more, so we're playing better defense and just stuff and cosmetics. But we're rebuilding the bumpers. They're not going to fall apart this time, and it's going to go great.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeevan, and I'm still the build lead, and we've made it to I don't even know where we are. Week 13, week 14, week 12, same thing as week 22. Anyway, special edition. I'm taking you on a tour of our beautiful, totally not first approved practice field. So first up, we have our lovely hub with our totally warping April tags, right? Perfect for all of Code's needs, especially over here. Oh yeah, the one over here is oh, they fixed it. Never mind. Okay, that's low-key weird. Anyway, we have our trench and bump. Henry, what are you doing? With no April tags because we couldn't do our jobs correctly, and Code did not trust the April tags on the trench at all. But the one thing we did do right are these beautiful walls. Oh my God. You could kick these as hard as you want, and they're not going anywhere. Oh yeah. I'm proud of those. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what that was for. But they're only meant to be kicked from the bottom because that's where the robot goes. But yeah, that's our, oh, this is our tower. That dimensions are totally wrong, and it's splitting over there. But day in the life of a build lead. Yeah. Join Team 555. Highly recommend it. Best thing in my life. Oh, the wire's stuck. Okay, bye.
So today is kind of one of the last meetings of the season. We're in week 13, which is kind of hard to believe. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do after this. I feel like school at this point is just me when is the school day going to end? When can I get to robotics? I'm actually just the entire time of the day, I'm just when's robotics going to happen? And so it's kind of sad that we're in the home stretch, but I'm really excited for Lehigh. And now we just learned that we have to wake up at 5:30, 4:30 to get to the bus because now we don't have it for the night before. So, I mean, that's really it. Just mostly code testing. Then we're also going to have an electronics meeting tomorrow to fully jacket all the can because there's some unjacketed can, and we just want to make sure there's no shorts. Then we're having a build meeting on Saturday, which I cannot attend because it's my cousin's birthday, and she's visiting from California. And I think they're going to fully finish new bumpers and hopefully get some weight saving. We're underweight, but they just want to be comfortable because I think we're 135 exactly, so they want to be 134.8 or something, and build backup parts, and that's really it.
Hello, I'm Brian. This is my first appearance on the vlog, and today we've been very productive. As you can see, we've been playing poker. But we have done some stuff. We've been trying to get our previous robot last year up and driving. Unfortunately, there are some issues with the actual build of the robot. But hopefully it'll get fixed soon. Yay! That's all I have to say.
Okay, hi vlog. So there's been a bit of an epic with the Code laptop. So for a while it was lost under Cooper's car's cushions, and nobody knew where it was. And so we've got this new laptop from Mr. Pearson, but Mr. Pearson doesn't know the password to it. So I spent an entire night trying to hack into this thing by just nuking the operating system and reinstalling it, and I was having multiple hard drives, and it got really complicated. But I got really close, and I'm still getting close to it. But just now I was just trying a bunch of different words or stuff that it could be, and they were all oh, this password is incorrect. But then I just put in his first name, and it was like, welcome, ... and it loaded for a while. And I thought I actually went ballistic. And then like, after 2 minutes of it loading, it was like, actually, the password is incorrect. So I don't know. I'm going crazy over here. Thank you.
Okay, hi. So we're doing some code testing right now. We're working on things like turret tracking and accuracy at different points in the field. Right now, our throughput seems to have magically like halved for some reason, and it's a little bit confusing. But the turret tracking seems improved. We're a little bit better while rotating. It was really good, and then now it's somehow not. But we're hoping to just make things more accurate.
Hi, vlog! I know you all missed me so much from the week that we did not have vlog. I'm so sorry. I'm back now. So business has been just doing, routine maintenance. This week we learned how to, I don't know why they're drumming on the stools back there. Me and Eva learned how to navigate and use our website, like how to do all of the stuff, to edit the website and to put new stuff on the website. So that was very nice and very fun. We also, me and some of the other business members, we cleaned out we organized the shop closet, and so that's nice and all clean and pristine now, unless they destroyed it, which I don't know, maybe they did. And we fixed our broken cheer gear. We have like 555 signs, and one of them, the stick that holds it up, was coming off. So we took all of the safety precautions. We had safety glasses, our hair was tied up, and we had supervision. We drilled holes into the back of it and zip tied it back on. So those are all fixed, and we are ready for Lehigh in a week. We are a week early, which means we get a week of being hype and not having anything to do. Maybe we'll find out next week. You'll find out next week on the vlog. Bye, vlog!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my weekly interview. This is the week before Lehigh, so we're getting close to the end here. And plot twist, I'm here with Rachel, the business lead, who's usually recording. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Joaquin.
Who's recording right now, if it's not you?
Lucas.
Hi, Lucas. No. Wait, no, keep that in. That's beautiful. We might need to censor that. But Rachel, what has business been doing for the past, week or two?
Mostly routine maintenance, so updating the website, the little things, the Instagram. This is week 12. I'm going to say it's 12. Technically it's 13, but we didn't meet last week because it was spring break. So some people so far have said 12 and some people have said 13. So I'm going to say 12.
Wow. But it's week 12 already? But you never told me what business was up to.
No, but I did. I just told you that.
Wait, what did you say? What did you...
Do you want me to do it again?
Wait, hold on. I have another question.
Do you think the Jeopardy music is copyright free? Can I...
Loki. Wait. After 12 weeks, I'm still going. I'm running out of questions. What's with the business called back there? That's not even all business. That's like a little bit. Oh.
What is the deal with the other line on that?
Oh, what's with all the business slander of CAD recently?
I feel like it's warranted. Did you guys ever finish the CAD?
Yes! It's like a long time ago. Guys, run it back. A couple of weeks ago, if you check the vlogs, we're almost done with CAD.
There wasn't a question there.
What?
That was just a statement.
Wait, also, you already canvassed, right? So you want to do it 5 times?
Breaking news! Evie Brackenbury has to cam for the 5th time in a row of the same part.
This is an interview of everybody.
Shh. Yo, Max thinks it should have a pocket. Hold on, I need to come up with questions.
This has been Rachel's weekly interview. See you next week.